Selling GoHighLevel as a SaaS product involves promoting its features and benefits to potential clients, such as small businesses, agencies, or marketers. Here's a step-by-step guide. Understand the product. Familiarize yourself with GoHighLevel's features, such as CRM, funnels, email marketing, SMS automation, booking systems, and reporting tools. Knowing how these tools help businesses automate and streamline operations will allow you to pitch effectively. Identify your target market. GoHighLevel is perfect for digital agencies, small businesses, or anyone who needs comprehensive marketing automation tools. Understand their pain points like lead management, client communication, and marketing automation, and position GoHighLevel as the solution. Create a demo. Offer potential clients a demo of GoHighLevel's features. Show how it can save time and boost their marketing efforts. Highlight how its all-in-one system eliminates the need for multiple subscriptions and tools. Offer white labeling. If selling to agencies, emphasize GoHighLevel's white labeling feature, which lets them brand the platform as their own. This is attractive to agencies wanting to offer clients a seamless solution without being tied to another brand. Leverage affiliate programs. Use GoHighLevel's affiliate program to earn recurring commissions. Share your affiliate link on your website, social media, or via email marketing. Provide ongoing support. Help clients with onboarding and offer continuous support to ensure they get the most out of the platform, increasing satisfaction and retention.